Appellate Division of Supreme Court has postponed the hearing on two separate leave to appeal requests by the state over a verdict by the High Court accusing BNP's acting chairman Tariq Rahman and others from 21st August grenade attack case till 26th of May. A six-member bench of Appellate Division led by Chief Justice Syed Rifat Ahmed announced the postponement after conducting a hearing this morning. Earlier on 1st December 2024, a 8C bench accused Tariq Rahman, Lutfuruzzaman Babur and others in 21st August grenade attack case. On 19 December, the full verdict was published, following which the state submitted two separate leave to appeal requests. On 13 March, Chamber Judge Court of Appellate Division sent the leave to appeal request to full bench for a hearing.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।